Have you ever watched a TED Talk and thought, wow, how do they speak so confidently, so clearly, and so powerfully? Well, here's the secret. They're not born speakers. They follow a formula, and that formula comes from the book called Talk Like TED by Carmine Gallo. In this video, I'm going to break down three powerful techniques used by the world's best speakers so you too can inspire, influence, and impact like TED speakers. By the way, if you're serious about improving your English speaking skills and confidence, join my online English fluency class. It's designed to help you sound natural, fluent, and confident. Details are in the description below. So let's begin the video. Part 1. Master the art of emotion. The first secret is great TED speakers speak from their heart. Emotion is contagious. When you are passionate, your audience feels it. Carmine Gallo calls the emotional connection. And guess what? Studies show that people remember emotionally charged content 22 times more than plain facts. Think of Dr. Jill Bolte Taylor, the neuroscientist who described her own stroke in a TED talk that has over 27 million views. She cried on stage. The audience was silent. And you know why? Because it was real, it was raw. So ask yourself, why do you care about your topic? What personal stories can you share? If you want to be remembered, be vulnerable, be human. Part 2. Deliver jaw-dropping moments. Now comes the second weapon. Carmine Gallo says every great TED Talk has a jaw-dropping moment. A shocking fact, a powerful image, or a moment of silence that punches the audience right in the gut. Example, when Bill Gates released mosquitoes during his TED Talk on malaria, the one moment made headlines around the world and it drove his message home. You don't need to release mosquitoes, but ask what can I say that makes people sit up and say, I never knew that. A startling statistic, a visual prop, a story with a twist. These are your tools of impact. Now let's talk about the third and the most misunderstood secret, the rule of three. What is it? The rule of three is a simple speaking technique. It means when you share your ideas, divide them into three parts. Ask me why three? Because the human brain loves patterns, and 3 is the smallest number that forms a pattern. It's easy to understand, it's easy to remember. Even Steve Jobs used it. In one of his most famous keynotes, he said, today I'm going to talk about three things: the iPod, the iPhone, and the internet. Now imagine he had listed 5 things or 7 things. It would feel long, messy, and hard to follow. Our brain likes things that are short, structured, and satisfying. So when you speak, don't say everything you know. Pick up 3 strongest points and build your speech around those. Let's say you're giving talk on success. Don't say there are 8 things you need to do. Say, to succeed, remember just 3 things. Believe in yourself, take actions, never give up. That's the rule of 3. It makes your message clear, clean, and catchy. Bonus tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips from the book Talk Like TED that every speaker should know. First, tell stories. Don't just keep facts, make people feel something. Second, use pictures, not paragraphs. Use strong visuals, not slides full of text. Third, practice your delivery. Even the best speakers rehearse many times. Fourth, speak out loud. Record yourself, refine your style. And remember, TED Talks are short for a reason. The best talks get to the point and leave the lasting message. If this video helped, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe for more deep, powerful lessons to improve your fluency and confidence. And if you're ready to take the next step in your speaking journey, join my English fluency class today. Detail is in the description below. Until the next time, speak smart, speak bold, and speak like a TED speaker.